Isomoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. My name is Isomoto Lifestyle. I live here in the US, but originally I am from Africa, and I'm here to share my lifestyle with you guys. In case you want to move here to the US and you're wondering what you're gonna do, what people do here, hey, I am here. So tune into this channel so that you can see authentic videos or content of what actually you can do here, what kind of chores we do here, what kind of work we do here, what kind of education we get here, what kind of work, everything, where we eat and what we eat. Oh my goodness, where else can you get this video that is very, very authentic? Like today guys, it's very hot. As you can tell, I am actually sweating and I am under this umbrella up here. Yes, I am. And I'm sitting on this swing set, which my hubby made it for me, for us actually. So I am chilling here, even though it's hot, but I'm swinging and chilling. But hey, that is not the point, guys. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and share. So today I'm gonna share with you or show you something that actually, I don't know, shocked me. So a friend of ours actually gave us eggs. Yes, eggs. Not only one egg, but plenty of eggs. And I shared with the friends, with these eggs, with the family members. We shared it. So, but I crushed some of them. But I have plenty of eggshells now, empty eggshells. And I was about to throw these eggshells away. And one of my friends told me like, no, don't throw those eggshells away. You need to use those eggshells on your plants. I'm like, wait a minute. So I need to use them on the plants? Yes. So I went ahead on Google actually, and I was trying to read more about eggshells. And I was like, oh my goodness, eggshells has lots of nutrients to plants. So I do not want to throw away these eggshells. So one of the things actually they told me, like eggshells has calcium carbonate, which is a very nutrition nutrients to roots, you know, on the plants. So if you have plants like eggplants, they have eggs like tomatoes and pepper and spinach. So if you crush these eggplants, you make it actually like fertilizer, and there's a process that I'm going to be showing you how it's going to be. So without wasting your time with all these nutrients that the calcium carbonate that the eggshells has towards our roots, to make our roots strong and grow actually faster. So let me go ahead and show you the eggs, so that, and I tell you what exactly I'm going to be doing with those eggs. Guys, I'm sweating like crazy, you can tell. Okay, this is authentic. I just want to show you the way it is. I'm not gonna cut it, I'm not gonna hide it. This is me. So let's go ahead and see our eggshells, okay? Oh my goodness guys, look at those. These are eggshells. These were all eggs in here. So if I open here, you see plenty of empty eggshells. So I have a container here, right here. So I am going to put all these eggshells here, right here, and we are going to wash them, okay? Let's go ahead and put all this in here. We are going to wash them. Oh my world, these eggshells are plenty. So what we're going to do here, we are going to wash these eggshells to kind of clean them up, you know, make sure they are dry, because we want to get those rich, you know, calcium from in here, okay? Calcium carbonate. We need to get it out, okay? So we need to wash it, okay? So I have a hose here down here, and with this container, we are actually going to wash them. So this is the hose right here. Let me get my water. Go. right, guys, our eggs shells are clean. So as I told you before, eggshells has plenty of calcium minerals which comes from eggshells, and they help to strengthen plant roots, and they help them the roots to grow faster and stronger. And you can use these kind of shells on tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and spinach, and many even broccoli, guys. So what I'm gonna do with this, after washing it, we are going to boil it. Yes, we are going to boil it. Actually, before boiling it, I am going to crush it. Okay, let me go ahead and crush it a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead, crush it a little bit, and then boil it and crush it more. Okay. Crush it, guys. I don't want to get injured. Yes, I wish I can wear my gloves. Okay, yeah, but I'm a village girl. I can take it. I am a village girl and I can take it. Yes. So let's see what we're gonna do. Crush it a little bit, and then we are going to boil it. So after boiling, and actually I'm gonna crush it more, we just want to make sure it comes into a powder. So that is the powder. We are going to dry it. Actually, after it dries, so we're gonna keep it and be using it a little by little, or you can, if you have a large garden, you can just spread it all of it. But mine is so tiny, so probably I'm gonna be using it a little by little, but we're gonna crush it into powder after boiling and after drying it. Let's go and boil it. Oh well, guys, we got the heat. My stove is on. Now we are going to actually boil this egg shells. Yes, I'll show you guys when it's boiling, and we're gonna put it outside somewhere. I'm gonna put somewhere something so that it can actually dry. Okay, what do you think, guys? Have you seen this one? Have you used it before? Comment below, let me know. This is Umoto Lifestyle. This is what we do here in the US, guys. I tell you, anything is possible here in the US. No matter where, even if you want the green card or you come here another way, it doesn't matter. As long as you're here, you can just live your life. Okay, the eggs are boiling. The eggshells, actually, not eggs, eggshells. Oh wow, guys, the eggshells are boiled. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the sun. I'm gonna put it on sun right here. So we're just gonna put it here, let it dry, probably the whole day. And then after dried up, I am going to crush it into a powder, and that's how we are going to use it after you crush. Actually, you can keep it and keep using it a little bit, or a little by little, or you can just use the whole thing if you have a large farm. So this is the style that I learned, guys. If you have done this, let me know, because we're here to learn. Okay, ask a question, comment below, share the video, let your friends know, or let friends know about Umoto Lifestyle. Okay. Oh my word, guys, I am sweating, you can tell. So another thing I wanted to tell you guys, if you're coming here to the US, you better get used to the heat. It's a lot of heat. It gets hotter, even 100 degrees, over 100 degrees. So when it's summer season, when it's hot, no joke. So this is summertime, it's not even started, so it's gonna get hotter. And at the same time, when it's cold, so you gotta get used to cold season, hot season, warm, windy. We have all kinds of seasons here. So if you're coming here, you're gonna adjust. It doesn't matter when you come here, but hey, you're gonna get adjust. But I'm good that I'm making this video during my summer, so that you can see the real sweat. But hey, we have water, guys. Guys, I have more bottles to go. I don't know how many bottles I'm gonna drink this day, because I've been working outdoor. I love, guys, being outdoor. I'm not the kind of person who likes to be inside. I feel like I need to be doing something outside. There's a plenty to do here. My gosh, I am sweating. But the good thing is here, we have shower. You can take shower even 20 times if you can. So the moment I finish off whatever I'm doing, I'm boiling my shells. I'm gonna put them to dry, and then I'm gonna take another shower. I took another shower, and I'm gonna take another one, and I'm gonna take another one. I'm gonna take another one. So it depends on what I'm doing and where I'm going, because today actually it's Friday. So it's Friday night, so today we're going out. So I hope I can make the video for you guys so you can see how Friday night here. Okay, so tune in guys. Let's wait for our shell. So I'm gonna show you when the shell are boiling, so stay here guys. Give the video a like, comment below, ask a question, hey, and share these videos. Wait a minute guys, this is the Texas heat. I did not take a shower. I'm sweating. I just came from outside. This is how hot it is over here. Look at it. This is the sweat, guys. Sweat. So get prepared when you come here. You're gonna get sweat. You're gonna be sweating like crazy. But drink more water, okay? So let's wait for our shells to boil.